12 ways people have been secretly spying on people worldwide, from past to present. Anywhere your home, your device, public places. 1. Hidden cameras. Home. Tiny cameras hidden in clocks, smoke detectors, plants, or everyday objects to watch your every move. Year began 1940s. 2. Smart devices. Listening. Home. Smart speakers, TVs, and voice assistants can record and share what you say. Year began 2014. 3. Phone tracking apps. Device spyware and tracking apps monitor calls, messages, location, and activity. Year began 2004. Social media surveillance device. Your posts, likes, follows, and searches build a detailed profile about you. Year began 2004. 5. Email and message monitoring device. Emails and chats can be intercepted, logged, or backed up without your knowledge. Year began 1990s. 6. Wi-Fi network snooping. Home. Hackers on the same Wi-Fi can see the websites you visit and data you send. Year began late 1990s. 7. Public Wi-Fi eavesdropping. Public hackers on public Wi-Fi can intercept your data, logins, messages, and browsing activity. Year began early 2008. CCTV surveillance everywhere. Public cameras in streets, stores, ATMs, and buildings track your movements 24/7. Year began 1960s. 9. Satellite and drone monitoring. Public governments and organizations use satellites and drones to watch large areas. And sometimes you. Year began 1990s. 10. Implants and bugs. Past to present. Home/public. From old listening bugs to modern implantable chips, people have used hidden devices to spy. Year began 1940s. 11. Insider information. Home/public. People you trust, colleagues, neighbors, or even friends, can share your secrets or private information. Year began always 12. Metadata and digital footprints device/public. Even if content isn't read, your metadata, who, when, where, how often, reveals a lot. Year began 2000s. Protect your privacy. Use strong, unique passwords and enable 2FA, avoid public Wi-Fi, or use a VPN. Cover cameras when not in use. Keep devices and apps updated. Limit what you share online. Awareness is your best defense. Stay smart, stay private, stay safe.